Hello guys, welcome to Hedgehog Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you write your text in a circular form. Yeah, that's it. I found a silly question on the internet and I just want to show you how can you do it. Now I'm here. Hello YouTube, what do you want from me? Okay, there should be a question mark. Okay, now how can we write this in a circular form? It's quite easy. Now I'm gonna select, click from the ribbon. You can click insert. Then in the text tab, you can see word art. Just click it and select word art. Here is the word art. Then you will see that a new tab appears at the ribbon. Then it's quite easy. From this tab, you will see the text effects. Okay. At the end of the text effect list, you will see the circle. Yay. Okay. It's not looking good, I know, but we can select other. Okay, here, and that's it. Here, and that's it. Or you can select this, maybe, I don't know, will it work? No, it's not working. Yeah, that kind of things you can do. Okay, it's quite easy and fun. I don't know, is it fun? Okay, I want to. Okay, and that's it. Okay, you can change if you want to. For example, if you want to one in a convex and one in a concave position. I mean, different angles of the circles. Okay, then you can do that as well. Like you can just copy that, okay, and delete from here. Hello YouTube, and it's okay. It's looking like that. Then you can paste it here. No, what do you want from me? Okay, I want to paste just here. Here. What do you want from me? Yay, yay, yay. Then you can do again. Okay. Insert word art here. I clicked. Okay, text effects here and here. You'll see that, and you can. Oh, yeah. You see? Yeah, it's looking good. Thank you for watching. I hope it's helpful. I know. Okay. Thank you and goodbye.